Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'm going to be starting with my Glitter Planet UK's synthetic brush, and I'm also going to be using Light Elegance Simmer Down. I'm going to be applying this on my pinky and then giving it a flash cure in my light for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to be going in with Light Elegance Let's Monkey Around, and I'm going to be using this on my middle finger, and then I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be going back in with that same color, Simmer Down. I'm going to be applying a second coat on my pinky, and I'm also going to go back in with Let's Monkey Around, and I'm going to be applying a second layer on that nail as well, and then giving it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. The reason why I did this kind of backwards is because I had a whole different design in mind, but as soon as I put my nails in the light for this particular time, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to change the set. So I kind of changed what I was doing mid design, so that's why things are kind of backwards. But nevertheless, I think this set came out very beautiful. So now I'm going to go in with the Light Elegance Rosy Posy. You guys know that this is a very beautiful color, and I'm going to be applying this on my pointer finger and then giving it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. I only did one layer on the camera because I thought it was getting way too repetitive at this point, so I spared you guys that. So once I'm done with this, if I didn't mention that, I'm going to give it a full cure in my light for 30 seconds. And now I'm going to go in with this beautiful salmon sparkle, and I'm going to be applying this on my ring finger. Once I'm done applying this on there, I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go back in and do a second coat and then give it a cure. Now for the nail art, I'm going to be using the Gel Bottle Inks One Stroke brush, and I'm also going to be using the Wildflowers acrylic paints in black and white, and I'm going to be doing some flowers on my pointer finger. So this is in no way, shape, or form one stroke. I haven't been practicing, so I'm definitely not that great at it, but I thought that this set just needed something. I was like, black and white flowers sound so perfect to me, so that is what I'm doing here, the best way I know how at the moment. So once I get a little bit more familiar with how to do one stroke painting, I would definitely get back on here and let you guys know how I achieve that. After I'm done with this, I am going to be adding my top coat. Now I'm going to be going in with Nail Couture's Super Shiny, and I'm going to be applying this on all of my nails and then giving it a full cure in my light for 60 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!